right now it's not moving. Hi guys, it's really nice. Hello guys, this is Carolina. While my baby is in his sweet dreams, I'm going to open this product that we pick up yesterday from the shop USA in El Salvador. So let's go. This is a chair, a booster seat for a baby that you can use from 6 months, they say. Okay, so let's go and open it. I want to be careful not to make any damage to the product. Let's go. Ta-da. Okay. As you can see, it has its own storage. Let's go. It is around 2 kilos. It's not. It's heavy. It's heavy. It's not, as I thought, lightweight. Lightweight. Okay. Let's go. This is a tray, food tray. You can see it. Okay. Let's go and see how to fold it. How to open it. Here's the back. Probably you need to put those two parts in here, I think. Yes, there is. It's here like this. And the second one, like this. Perfect. Yes. Okay, let's see. More or less like this. Okay, let's see. And let's go put the tray in here. I think it's this way. I really like the color and the pattern. Let's go and see. Is it working like this? Okay. I think it is right now. There's a strap. There's a strap that is going to help us put the chair on a chair. So you have a chair and then you put it on the chair and use this strap to attach it. I don't know how, but we need to find it out. I like the material also. You can put what you want in here. Information, be aware. It could be nice that there could be some click, because I see that the tray doesn't stay stable in here. I don't know if the baby push it. It just moves really easy, I think. Okay. Warnings. See, prevent falls. It's really important. As you can see, you can use it just on the ground, and you can put it on a chair and use the straps. Manual. They say it to click. Okay, this is me once again, and it does to click. Look in here, 1, 2. You have such a thing, and there is a place to put it inside. You see? Okay, let's try it. So first, I don't know if we need to do this. Put it like this inside. Let's try. Okay, we have it inside. All right, now click. I think it's okay. Yeah, right now it's not moving. Hi guys, it's really nice. Okay, so I really like it. We haven't used it with our baby, but how it stays in here, I really like it, and I hope it's going to be a good solution for us while traveling and using it outside or inside.